What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you want to mark stuff with magnets, check this out. Hey, I just picked this up. It's a little set of 25 dry erase magnets. They're 1 inch by 2 inch here. And the reason I picked these up is when I set up like drinks, when I'm having family over, I have like these thermoses and tea kettles, and it's not always clear what's in them. Just dropped them. You can see here. So I picked this up to see if I could stick these to things and then write, you know, caffeinated coffee, decaf, that kind of thing. And they're dry erase, so I should be able to reuse them. So first of all, you can see they're just a little white dry erase magnets. They're very, very thin and pretty flexible, so they should be able to go around stuff. But do they work? So I've got a dry erase pen here, and if I were writing on here like this, like, hey, this is decaf, my handwriting isn't all that good. I'll let it dry because otherwise it kind of smears. And then we want to wipe this off and reuse it. It's gone like magic. That worked great. So totally reusable, 25 of these. So if you have, I don't know, metal cups or something like that, you could put everyone's name on them. You could label the drinks, the food items, whatever it might be. These things can come in really handy, and they are pretty inexpensive. So if you want to pick up this package of dry erase marker signs, I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out.